So today I'm at a Mogul Mentee's property, and you can see Mogul Mentee just pulled up right there, and we're doing some final stuff with the contractor to touch up a few things and make sure we get done, like the shutters and all that stuff. And we're here. Notice the walls. We're getting everything done. Doors, the whole 9 yards. So we're here, and I'm walking through this property with my Mogul Mentee. I told him to use blue tape. I'm showing him how to blue tape the property. As you can see right there, this blue tape property, I'm teaching him how to do it. They're gonna put the closet stuff in, and you know, I'm teaching my guys how to do all this stuff, and we're gonna get the bathroom done and put the glass. So I'm teaching my Mogul Mentee right now. So people, I'm really hands-on with my coaching, and you know, we just going through getting all this stuff done, counting up all the knobs and putting the door locks on, just getting the stuff done, making sure we get the touch-up paint and the final stuff done. And boy, Mr. Harvey right here, I'm Mogul Mentee, going through the stuff. So listen, we got to measure this now for the door. We got to measure before I leave, but we got to measure for the shower glass door. But this is all I was trying to show you. All this stuff right here, I showed them, make sure that we can sand that stuff and fix that. They already did a great job on the walls already. Mm-hmm. Remember, these are the old walls you got. They ain't changed the drywall. They did a great job already, but we can still do better. Mm-hmm. So I showed them this also.
Talking about this. Talking about
yeah. They can fix it. You know, all you sand a little bit and that right there. Right. So always look at stuff like this and that. You know what I'm saying? And that stuff. So once they fix that, then we good to go. Now they're putting all the closet stuff in. Mm-hmm. New rods, other ones are old. So when you go through, put blue tape on stuff like this. And show that stuff before you leave, and also. So he's going through checking stuff. So he's doing all the detail stuff. Locks and everything is done. And once we get done with all the paint and sanding, then we uncover back the floors, and then they can come and start installing ceiling fans and smoke detectors and stuff. Right. Same thing in this room. See, this room, always look at your walls like this, side on. Okay. Always look side on. And if you see a difference, they fixed it now. Before, this was off because when you sand the wall, right? Mm-hmm. Let's say you sand it, you mud it, sand it, and you don't kills it, and you paint it, it's going to have a different sheen from the other paint. Okay. So you want to mud it, sand it, kills it, then paint it.
To my kills.
Yeah, the kills. It's what stops stains from coming through the wall.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so when you kills it over the sanding, it makes the paint and everything match together. Okay. And then since you're gonna rent this property out, the sheen is gonna be good for you to wipe off. See that already? So if it was flat, anything you do would dirty it up. So all the closets they're going through all the stuff. Now they did all the quarter rounds on this side where they didn't put the new baseboards, right? So they put new baseboard on this side, but the quarter on it to match everything back in. That's why you got extra quarter on left, because they didn't do it on the outside. Let me show you. See? They didn't do it on the outside. So all that's new, so it's good. Can they put it all the way down to the ground? See that closet is gone? Can't tell, ain't it? So now you got a wall right here. So what I want to do is after you get done, I'm actually going to have them do an accent wall here. I'm going to show them.
And then this is where the TV go, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
so,
I was going to ask, because I was thinking about that the other day. You said you want to have a fireplace right there, right?
No, you can do it. Yeah, you can do the accent wall with a fireplace and everything right there.
But like I was just thinking about how we'll stage the furniture, put like a love seat or something over there.
No, you can. I guess you can. I don't know.
Because this right here going back. Anyway.
Yeah, a little bit. Okay. Yeah. So when we get done, we look at that. So I'm saying let's look at everything first before you do all that stuff. Okay. That can be done after. That's what I'm saying to you. But let's get everything done first. Got it. We'll go from there. But you need to measure this. Hey, Gerardo, you need to measure this right here. So this one we actually measure. This is going to be 24, right?
24.
And the other one is 30. Yeah. So this one is 24, other one 30. Need to measure this for the glass, shower glass. So you measure between here to here and the length, and we go get a shower glass. But this is easier. Instead of you calling like a manufacturer doing this, we can actually get this online. So I'm gonna show you how to do it.
I was gonna ask you about this right here. This right here, okay?
Text me the measurement.
It's 38.
38?
38 and a half.
38, okay.
This right here be painted, right?
Yeah.
38 and a half.
Okay, 38 and a half. Okay, and length? No. Yeah.
Right.
Okay, good. Thank you. And they're putting all the door the top. This one's gonna have a top door stop because you only bought 2. This one's the 3rd. So this one's gonna have a top door stop.
And we're gonna leave this right here, right?
What?
This edging right here.
Yeah, as I'm saying, you can let them. You can put the blue tape is there, so they know what they're doing. Once the blue tape is there, it's fine. When you get done started, make sure we caulk in all the door locks. Yeah. All right. So, what do you think?
What I think about the property?
Yeah.
Honestly, it's better than what I thought. You know.
Hey, Jada, he's happy. It's good. Yeah.
I'm happy because at the same time, like you said, you know, don't go cheap.
Yeah.
I mean, don't go cheap either. You know.
Oh, the locks, the back door lock.
Change or no?
Yeah, we change it, right? Just remember about that.
Let's get another one.
No, you bought 2 locks.
Okay.
Two of these locks. Look.
About 2 of these.
Yeah.
So this one right here staying on here.
You need round one. What's that? What's the round one at? What's the round one?
¿Dónde está el otro que te di?
What's the other one
Es
at?
sencillo.
Yeah.
Oh, ahí lo tenés, ve.
Yeah. So
En la mesa lo pusiste.
you left it in the shed? Storage shed.
¿Dónde lo pusiste?
It's a shed.
Ahí lo pusiste.
Yeah. So this one is you need to send some back.
Okay, send that one back.
Yeah.
Okay.
You bought 2 front door locks.
Gotcha. Okay, I'll send that one back.
Hold on. But yeah, people, like I said, I want y'all to watch this video, man. Go to my YouTube, Jbflipsavannah, and you'll see all the great stuff I'm doing, teaching people how to do flips in Savannah, Georgia. All right. Found it? Okay. Yeah. Keys? Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So they found it. So go ahead and get this one, send this one back. So for the back door lock, use the round one. It's just the round and the regular thing at the bottom. And we send this one back. Okay. So you get it, pack this one back, send it back. Put it back in the box. And you return that. And then I'll show you what to buy. Everything else. But that's it. All right, people. Yeah, what's going on, boss? Oh yeah, Damien, we're gonna take out the panel right there. We're gonna take out the panel and get that fixed and put it back in. So that's a new window. So all you gotta is take the panel out. So when he comes, I'll tell him to do it, and I'll tell you exactly how much it is.
Okay.
Yeah, and you're good to go. But remember, I said about this light right here.
Oh, the hanging light.
Right? No, there's another one that goes here. So they missed one, so they're gonna install another one, and then we're gonna get rid of that one. Or we're gonna keep it. The recess light?
The one at the end?
No, this one right here. Right. Yes.
Okay.
Right. So your hanging light gonna go right there. We're gonna get rid of that light, right? And then we're gonna have 1, 2, 3.
3 hanging lights?
No, the recess light.
Oh, okay.
And then you put your 2 hanging lights here. What I'm saying is they put it too far over, so you need 1 more here in the kitchen. So your kitchen is right here. So you need a light right here.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So I'm just giving you a heads up as to what's going on. This is your old pull down. Remember it was with a lock and everything? So we took off the facing off it, and when we took it off, instead of buying a brand new one, I saved you money on that and let them refinish the exterior and use the one that was there before.
Gotcha. And I also bought that other thing you told me to buy. The gold in it.
Yeah, good. Yeah. You can show Damien them to do it. I didn't tell him. I bought one from my house too.
Hanging lights and this is coming up.
There you have, man. We out of here. You can tell me about the process before I go. You know what I'm saying?
You want me to tell them about the process?
Yeah, you can. That's a little bit.
Oh,
How you feel right
I'll
now?
be honest with y'all, man. I'm telling you, man. Like, I feel like if you don't sign up, you're wasting your time. I mean, go to college for years, only making $50,000 a year, and we know how much $50,000 is getting you. I'm making that, and I don't really want to count out the numbers right now. I just want to wait, you know. But I'll be honest with you. I'm really happy with the process. Like I said, it's really not for me. It's for my family, generational wealth, and I think this is just the beginning, and I'm truly excited. So y'all stay tuned, and at least do the consultation.
And let me say this before y'all go, man. Before I go, listen. Stop listening to what people tell you about people. Stop following people that don't do nothing. Stop following broke people that don't do nothing. Stop following your family and friends that tell you don't trust that person, don't go to that person. That person is tried, true, and tested, and you see them doing something and they're doing it themselves. Trust the process. Trust what God put you to do, God didn't put your family and friends to do certain things. God called on you to do certain things. Get up, go do it, and be motivated and get it done. And bless your family. When you bless your family, you bless others around you. I'm doing that right now, and he's going to do the same thing to his family and then people around him.
Yeah, like I say, please, like, if you don't do anything else, do the consultation. I ain't trying to sell you nothing. Yeah, have I bought classes and courses offline and I lost the money? Hey, I raised my hand. I felt for it, but I'll be honest with you. Real estate is where it at. I mean, other things might be for other people, but I feel like this is for me. I'll be honest with you. I mean, I ain't trying to call no, trying to stop from cursing, you know. But anyway, I will be a millionaire in less than a year. I promise you I will. I see the numbers, and I'm that confident. I don't care what nobody tell me. I don't care what the haters tell me. I promise you I'll be a millionaire by next year this time. I promise to God.
Man, listen, man, that's how you gotta call and put the work in. And just put in the work. This house went from nothing to something. Can't wait for y'all to see the before and after video on this one. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. It's gonna blow your minds. Again, we talking right now. We out of here. We're gonna check another property right now. 'Cause I got work to do. Peace and love. And it's from Jbflipsavannah Mogul, Mentee, Anton Harvey. This one, I don't know if I'm gonna take on another Mentee yet, but for right now, man, I'm just grinding. Maybe after the holidays, but be blessed, man, and keep following. Go to YouTube, watch the full length of this video, and we're gonna be good to go. All right.
All right.
Peace.
Out.
Yep.